Gary Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties. I'm based in Invermere, BC, and this video is to talk about Lot 10 at Luxor Heights, which is my little land development in Spur Valley, about 10 minutes north of Radium Hot Springs. So let's go check out this great lot. All right, so here we are at the bottom of Lot 10, and so partway up to the south end cul-de-sac here. And so Lot 10 is a really nice lot, 1.79 acres. It's got one of the highest, has the highest producing well, estimated at 60 gallons a minute. And so this is kind of the access here. We can see basically where power poles are. There's a couple, pretty much where this bigger power pole is kind of the dividing line between lots 9 and 10 on the south end. A little bit hard to see through the trees, but there is a drop pole already installed, so super easy to install power, and then the ability to kind of go underground with the power from there. And wouldn't be super long distance to run the power from that drop pole to the well as well. So the servicing on this one won't be too tricky. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the property. One of the complaints or feedback from some people is that the driveway is a bit steep. So just going to show you there's some options with that. Quite a bit of land down in this area here, and this part is pretty pleasant, and the trees have been thinned out quite a bit, so you do get some really nice views. And with this driveway right now, this was quickly roughed in, so there could be some work done to pull back some material, decrease the grade a little bit. Basically this one corner is kind of the bit of the pinch point where it is a bit steep and you're going around a corner. So some people have kind of found this a little bit intimidating. But there is opportunity here to widen this corner out or do a bit of work. And the other point is that there's some great views even from this level. You're not even anywhere near the top of the lot and you already have some amazing views. So there's definitely opportunities building the center of the lot as well. Right, so we're kind of in the center of the lot at this point. So there is a temporary sort of side road that goes between lots from a lot 11, goes through lot 10 and into lot 9. So this road was used for drilling the wells, getting the well drill rig up here. And so this will get decommissioned eventually when all the lots are sold. But in the short term, this is a good option for construction access and an alternative to this more of a switchback kind of driveway. And also this area is a bit of a bench, and a nice amount, you're getting closer to the top of the lot but still some room to go, and but up a ways from the main road and into a point where you've got some really nice views. And I think that this actually wouldn't be a terrible place to consider building. So this is definitely an option as far as build site. But let's continue on going up to the top of the lot. All right, you can see some flags here. This is the south boundary of lot 10. Lot 9 has got the RV next door right now. And so, yeah, really nice up here. It's sort of been leveled out at the top. A bit of a pad kind of there, potentially if someone wanted to park an RV or do a little cabin up at the top. And yeah, the views get incredible once you get up here. Just gonna kind of pan around here. All right, so here we are up at the top. So nice flat area up here. And you can sort of see the flags and the boundary here between lot 10 and lot 11. And then you have the neighboring ALR property that really has low chance of development kind of on the back here. And so just gonna kind of pan around here. But yeah, it's pretty special up here. Great views. And then on the south end, the property kind of goes to basically where the burnt tree stump is. And you can see with a bit of tree clearing, it really opens up the views. So lot 10 is ready to go. It's titled, it's got a driveway roughed in. That driveway can always be improved. It's got a high producing well, great views. This is a really nice lot, and definitely worth walking and considering this one. Reach out to myself or your realtor for more information. Thank you.